So this piece of pipe has TLC up here, nothing back here. You can even see how the water starts to react. So all coated. I'm going to pour gas here, and we're going to see how well it holds up to this. So it's pretty windy, so we should start to see this dry up here pretty quick. Which it looks like it's starting to. So obviously for you motorcycle guys, you might spill some gas when you're putting it in your tank, so kind of want to see how well you guys are going to stand up against that. So it's actually not eating through the coating or anything. Still got some massive beading here. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go grab some soap, and then we're going to wash it off with some soap real quick and then see what happens. So now we just have a basic soap here that's like a wash and wax. Now that we're actually getting the soap off the surface, you can see how hydrophobic it still is. So y'all shouldn't have any problems with the gas eating the TLC off. Obviously, after time, I would definitely advise reapplying a coating, but certainly you should be good when you dribble it on your tank and have to wipe it off. So you can see all the water just sheets around here, and then as soon as we start hitting the coated section of the pipe, just massive beads. And this is all just with regular hose water. It's pretty contaminated water. It's San Diego water. There you go. Hope that helps y'all.